A very good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Jaspreet Kaur Majitia, working as a dean at Amity Law School, Amity University, Punjab. Prior to joining this institution, I have worked in various other law schools and I have represented those schools as head of the department. So my total teaching experience is nearing 20 years and my industry experience is around 9 years. So it's been 29 years in this profession. About Amity Law School. Amity Law School Punjab came into force in the year 2021. And right now we are running 4 programs here. The first one is BA LLB 5-year integrated course, then BBA LLB 5-year integrated course, LLB 3 years course, and we are also having LLM 1-year program. And recently we have started with our PhD program also, and a few students they have been interviewed, and very shortly we'll be starting with that process. The main highlights of our school is that we are towards, committed to foster justice, integrity, and legal enterprise. Regarding the program structure, in BA LLB 5-year course, we are offering all the humanity courses to the students along with the law subjects, and by the time they reach to their 7th semester, we offer them 4 specializations which they can go for, which includes criminal law, corporate law, international law and constitutional law. And we are offering them major, minor, so far as the humanities subjects are concerned, so that they can choose any subject of their choice which they have studied in during their +2. And the same goes for BB LLB also. For the initial 3 years, they will be studying along with the management subjects, the law subjects, and then in the last 2 years, they will be exclusively will be studying the law subjects. There also we are offering them specialization. And in LLB 3-year program, all the law courses are there, so all clinical courses are there, ADR is there, and every year we conduct our board of studies meeting and we focus on what new can be added. So we keep on adding new case laws, new judgments, whatever amendments are taking place, the changes are taking place in the terms of new topics and all. So we are going along with the recent trends in law. Our main, focus is on this thing that by this time the students they complete their degrees, they are trained from all aspects. So we are having clinical classes of moot court here, and we are sending our students for legal aid drives. They're going to different villages. They are meeting the inmates of those villages and they are providing them free legal aid. We have a committed team of moot court societies there, then legal aid committees there, then we have our event team, and we keep on conducting different events. We keep on inviting sitting judges of High Court and then other designated judges, renowned academicians, Professor Emeritus, and many more who can deliver lectures on very good and relevant topics, so that the students they are apprised with the latest knowledge in law. We have already conducted one national moot court competition and another is in the pipeline, and we also conduct intra moot court competitions, because these competitions are very important, because this is the basic knowledge. The practical knowledge is very important, because this is we consider it to be our moot court competitions, and all these things are as our labs, because it is there only the students will learn how they have to draft their cases, how they have to present their cases, how they have to present their arguments, and they have to prepare their memorials, etc. Apart from that, our students are also going for internships, and we, 2 batches of LLB 3-year, 1 year has already passed, and the second is almost on the verge of completion. And our students, they are already hired by good legal firms, and one of the student, he has joined army, and recently one of our LLM student has passed the exam of judiciary. And I will also want to add upon here one thing. The teachers are using very good pedagogic skills in the classes. They are teaching the students from the point of view that they are prepared for judiciary also, and they are prepared for their UGC NET exam. and our examination system is framed that way that they are able to answer all type of questions, because we have a component of 25 marks wherein the students, they have to go through that rigorous exercise of multiple choice questions are there. So this way I can say that they are already prepared if they want to appear for PCS judiciary or NET examination. The main strength of any institution is the faculty, and I'm very proud to share this thing that we have very good teachers there. All of them, they have done their PhDs and they're involved in doing very rigorous type of research on the current topics. They have published their papers in very good Scopus Index journals, and they have published books also. So they are very knowledgeable, and they are putting in all their efforts to teach the students in a very nice manner. This is all. So I must say that our institution, our law school, is the best in the Tri-City. And our law school has, the students, by participating in different events, you can see many trophies are lying here. Our students, they bagged first position in the City University National Moot Court Competition. Recently, they have won runners-up prize in Checkmate, which is a nationwide, very famous moot court competition. They have one of our students has bagged the position of best mooter in Army Institute of Law in Surana versus Surana National Moot Court Competition. And they're also participating in many more, like clinical writing, proposition writing competition, then mediation competitions and all. So everybody is working hard to take this law school to great heights. So everyone should come here. Our institution is the best. Thank you so much.